Welcome to part 5 of the Intro to the Mirror Bible app. So we look at the context menu that's here. In order to use the context menu efficiently, we first have to look at how words and verses are selected. So if you press on a verse number, or for verse notes, you can press here, you'll note that there's an underline that comes and goes on each press. The underline shows that this verse has been selected. Also, if you press on one word, you'll note that this word now is selected. If we press long on a selected word, there are a couple of things we can do. We already learned that we can search for Isaiah very easily here. Then we can go back here. We did see that we can set a bookmark on this verse, a user note, and we can choose color. But also we can use the read aloud function starting at this verse. It uses synthetic speech output, so it will work with all the languages for which you have a speech module installed on your device. Then there's a lexicon search. We'll look at this in a separate video. Then you can copy what you have selected. You can select one single word or a verse or multiple verses. Also, by the way, if you press on the free space here on the right side, you can also select and unselect the whole verse. You don't have to go to the verse number all the time. So if we're here and we copy it, it will copy that verse to your clipboard. You can paste it wherever you like. Also, you can share the selected verse with different tools, whatever you have installed on your device, WhatsApp or mail or whatever. Then you can select the whole chapter. For example, if you want to set the color, so you select all and you choose color 8, so the whole chapter is in that color. Then you can select this item here. It means to multi-select things. So previously, when you clicked on a word, the previous selection was gone. Now it stays. That's also the case for whole verses. So now you can select whole verses or verse notes and select and unselect as you like. Now, if you go now to the context menu with a long press and you hit, for example, copy, it will copy all the selected words or verses at once. The same, of course, happens with the share function. And you can choose to unselect, or you can simply take this option away and the selection is gone. That was an overview of the context menu.